Today we are cutting straight to the chase to discuss a critical update in the ACI rating that directly impacts how we test concrete strengths using cylinder specimens. The American Concrete Institute has simplified cylinder testing requirements, and these changes will influence our quality control procedures. Let's talk about what changed and why ACI made this decision. The ACI 1825 now requires only 2 cylinders for strength testing, regardless of cylinder size. In the previous edition, you needed either 2 6 by 12-inch cylinders or 3 4 by 8-inch cylinders for a valid strength test. The newer edition eliminates this difference. Now, whether we are using 6 by 12-inch cylinders or 4 by 8-inch cylinders, we only need 2 specimens for the strength test. This means that if you have been using the smaller 4 by 8 cylinders, you can eliminate the third cylinder from every test. For projects with frequent testing, this translates to significant cost saving and reduced laboratory workload. The reason behind this change lies in updated research data. The original requirements for 3 4 by 8-inch cylinders was based on 1990s laboratory studies, which showed smaller cylinders had higher variability under controlled conditions. Researchers like Carino find that 4 by 8 cylinders had about 20% more variability than 6 by 12-inch cylinders in laboratory settings. However, recent field studies changed everything. Researchers examined thousands of cylinders prepared in actual construction conditions rather than perfect laboratory environments. The results were interesting. When cylinders are prepared in real field conditions, there is not a statistically significant difference in variability between smaller and larger specimens. These field data proved that the extra cylinder requirements was solving a problem that didn't really exist in practice. ACI updated the code to reflect this real-world evidence, demonstrating how the Institute continuously improved standards based on actual construction data rather than theoretical laboratory conditions. This change brings immediate practical benefits to our projects. You'll see reduced material costs for concrete specimens, lower laboratory test fees, and simplified quality control procedures. Most importantly, you are getting the same statistical reliability in your test results while using fewer samples. This is a perfect example of how ongoing research helps the concrete industry evolve based on real-world data. If this overview has been helpful for you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for other changes on ACI 18. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.